Hello everyone. If you're planning to start a YouTube channel or already started and not getting views, then this video is for you. Let's begin. Today I'll share the most important things you must know before starting a YouTube channel so you can grow faster and avoid beginner mistakes. Choose the right niche. Ask yourself, what topic do you love? What can you talk about again and again? Niche like tech, education, AI, editing, vlogging, gaming, motivation. But stick to one main topic. Remember, clear niche equals faster growth. Know your audience, don't make videos for everyone. Make videos for one type of viewer. Ask, who is watching your content? What problems you are solving? When you understand your audience, your content automatically improves. Create strong channel branding. Your channel should look professional. Make sure you have attractive channel name, clean logo and banner, clear about section. First impression matters a lot on YouTube. Be consistent. Uploading randomly will slow your growth. Decide a schedule like 2 videos per week or 1 video every week. Consistency builds trust and algorithm support. Focus on quality, not expensive camera. You don't need costly equipment. Just focus on clear voice, good lighting, stable video, clean background. Content quality matters more than camera price. Plan before recording. Never record without planning. Always prepare. Video topic script or bullet points, strong opening line. Planning saves time and improves confidence. Learn YouTube SEO, which means search engine optimization. If you want views, learn SEO. Use search friendly title, attractive thumbnail, proper description, and tags. This helps YouTube understand and promote your video. Check your analytics. Open YouTube Studio and track. Watch time, audience retention, click through rate. Data tells you what works and what doesn't. Engage with your viewers. Reply to comments. Ask questions in videos. Build a community. Audience connection equals long-term success. Be patient. Growth doesn't happen overnight. Many big creators took months and years to succeed. Don't quit too early. Improve daily. Avoid these beginner mistakes. Never do this. Copy-paste content. Buy fake subscribers. Ignore thumbnails. Upload without strategy. These mistakes kill your channel.